annual meeting that we've had of the whole NRN LCE. And why this is important, I guess, is because it is a time when all of our sciences are reported not just to the scientific advisory group and the executive board that are here to see how progress is being done, but we report it to each other and therefore the institutions that we're working from. It's a great opportunity to show the diversity of the research that we do in the NRN LCE and to show just how good we really are. We don't just report about the publications that we've done and the grants that we've won, but we actually do report about the hard science that's been going on that effectively the Welsh taxpayers paid through the money that is given to fund us.
Is trying to convey scientific concepts to the public using sort of non-specialist languages and using terms that people can relate to, and basically turning it into a concept that the public can understand and they can learn without actually sometimes realising they're learning, which I think is quite a nice way to go about these sort of outreach activities.
Each one of our clusters or returning fellows or PhD students have been working effectively for between 2 and 3 years. They now have got real results that they're about to publish in the hard stream or mainstream scientific literature. Some of those results are complex, they're difficult to unravel, but we're at the point of the network where we're beginning to do that. So this is science that is really internationally viable, it's internationally important, it involves a lot of collaborations with the Europeans and people in the States and South America, and that's the importance of the work that we're doing.